What's happening, everybody? It's Beachin with the Boones, and today we're going to take a walk inside the Coastal Grand Mall in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. We're going to start out at the Belk entrance and make our way through the mall to see what we can see. The first thing you'll notice is the large music store. They have all kind of instruments and other things. And right across is Toy Island. There's also one of these at Broadway at the beach. If you're new to this channel, we explore and show you everything about Myrtle Beach as well as the surrounding beaches. If you are a returning viewer, thank you for coming back, because it's people like you that allows us to continually bring great content. This is a great place to go for rainy days, cold days, or just like today where it's steaming hot. And there's all kind of stores like lens crafters. You'll even find public restrooms, which is a good thing. And sometimes in the center aisles here you'll find things like the bubblegum machines and photo shops. Just on the outskirts of the mall is the new location of the Crazy Mason. We've done a video on it. Check it out. And here's Simply Southern. Let's find out if we can find something to get inside here. Well, we didn't find anything today, so we'll continue on down the mall. There's the Daily Thread, Foot Locker, and Versana. That's a pretty popular place. And if you look down there, you'll see Yankee Candle. I think that's the only one left in Myrtle Beach. There's you a J.C. Penney. That's one anchor store. And throughout the mall here, you'll find these kiosk information centers that'll let you know where every store is. It's kind of early, so there's not as many people as usual. Oh, Charlotte Russe. Let's see if we can find something in here. And jackpot, she found her something in Charlotte Russe. There's Windsor, that's pretty popular. We shop in there every once in a while. Conrad Farms. And you'll see a lot of jewelry places in the center and on the sides. There's the Loft, the Children's Place. We can't show and talk about everything that we'll see, but we'll try to get as many things as possible as we pass by them. If you have any favorites, let us know in the comments. Or let us know your favorite shopping place in Myrtle Beach. Here I see Pink and Zales, another jewelry store, and there's those crazy yapping dogs all the kids like. If you like this video, how about give it a thumbs up? It helps us and it helps the videos we make. And please consider subscribing. And if you click the bell, it'll notify you when we publish new videos. And we publish them weekly. Here in the center of the mall, there's a lot of activities for kids as well as toys, games, and things. Starbucks. And we'll make our way on the other side of the center here to see what we can find. Alright, there's Express. And on this side, Bath and Body Works. That's pretty popular. And the White Barn, how about that? This mall is located at Coastal Grand Circle in Myrtle Beach. The hours are 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. except on Sundays, so make sure you check their website. You see Journeys and Buckle. A lot of malls are dried up, but this one is usually packed with people. There's even a movie theater and a massive food court at one end. See if we can find something in Buckle. This is a great place for your cowboy and cowgirl items, especially if you want to come to Myrtle Beach for the Country Music Fest. This would be a great place to shop. Well, we didn't find anything we wanted in Buckle. You can get you some decorations for your Crocs and stuff for your shoes. There's American Eagle Outfitters. And you'll also find things like Hot Topic and Spencer's. And right here, Five Below is brand new. As of the taping of this, which was about last week, look how long it is. It's not open yet, but this is going to be a gigantic store, it looks to be. Keeps going and going, on and on and on. And you'll see things like Palmetto Moon. That's pretty popular. We like to shop in there every so often. Rue 21 shoe department. And as you're walking through the mall, you can smell something cooking. You know it's going to be this Cinnabon right here. Delicious. Most of the time we have to stop and get us something from here. There's the Man Cave, which is a good place to find a birthday present for someone, of course. Then you got Dick's Sporting Goods. That's another anchor store. You can access these anchor stores from outside the mall as well. Sydney Surf Company. And right down in front of it right here is Dillard's. This is a great place to go for rainy days or just like today where it's hot. And Bed Bath & Beyond. So we made our way back to the center. We're going to go down another leg here. This will be the food court. So you've got more jewelry stores. Pandora, that's real popular. And one cool thing for the kids here is the At the Pier Arcade in Myrtle Beach. It's not that big, but it's usually packed full of kids. Now we'll make our way down into the food court, which you'll find pizza, burgers like Chick-fil-A and Chinese food, some other things, a few other retail shops. Inside the food court at the end is the cinema I mentioned earlier. If you enjoyed this video, check out another one on the screen right now. And click the subscribe button so you won't miss anything new so you can keep beaching. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you again on our next video.